not pretty, but the price was right, and it runs. It will get better looking as time goes by. It looks a lot better than when I first got it. Videos on the page of what it looked like when it showed up and what's been done to it already. But we're gonna have some fun riding this thing around, doing a little bit of goon riding, jumping. This thing is all blown out, stock suspension, nothing done to this at all except it's been cleaned up and painted. Took a razor blade, plastics for a little bit, hit it with some black spray paint, made it run, had to fix the wiring harness on it. Rats ate the complete wiring harness underneath the gas tank. Bunch of rattle cans later, and yep, we're running. Still no brakes, but we're having fun with it, getting some content. So enjoy the goon riding, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. What's been your experience with the old Quad Sport 230? This is the pull start electric start version, the 230E, 1988.